Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I have got a 2900 rupees computer. Yeah, you're right, it's Raspberry Pi 3 Model B by Element 14. It is made in UK. It has got wireless LAN, Bluetooth and made in UK. So let's open this up. Here is what we get inside the box. SF string instruction and quick start guide. So we have the board over here. The dimensions are 85.6 millimeter into 56 millimeter into 21 millimeter. It has got the Broadcom BCM 2837 1.2 GHz quad core processor, 64-bit. We have got the RAM 1 GB. We have got a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, a CSI camera port, a HDMI port to connect to a monitor or a TV. We have got 4 USB connectors, a LAN port, a DSI display port and a micro SD card slot. So this was the unboxing of the Raspberry Pi 3. Thanks for watching.